Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha here at my bougie farmhouse, and it's time for our next project. I'm so excited. So next project is my utility closet. Let me show you. So as you can see, it literally is just where they have all of the utilities going through. This is the vent for our dryer. We have the electrical panel, and that's the access to over the attic on that portion of the house. And then if you turn around this corner, we also have, I don't even know what these are for, but we also have some piping, I believe, for the HVAC, and I'm not sure what the other one is, but it's super tight. So far we've been using this one cabinet. I'm trying to see if I can get you in here deep, and it has doors on it. And I can't even get you in here and like I need to. Yeah, it's just not working for us. And true to form in this house, they have this dark dingy color that literally the entire upstairs was painted this color. Like if you look at the hallway right now, we just repainted our hallway so that it's light and bright, but the hallway too was this color. This is how small of a space it is. Like, it's super tiny, but I believe it could be cute. The problem is, because of these being here, I can't put anything tall here. I don't believe, I think it just would not make sense to put a tall cabinet here. Yeah, and the problem too is the door, like, it's just, like, it's just a small space. Like, I kind of feel like, I don't know if this is gonna work. I originally purchased a short Billy. I don't know if you can see that. I originally purchased the short Billy bookcase, and the plan was to have it go back here. But now that I'm looking in here, let me see if I can take you in here. We have this in the center of the floor. And because it's so far out in the floor, it's going to hinder all of this space that I thought I had. I thought it went straight down, but it doesn't. It goes down and then it curves. Why does it curve like that? It just has... Whoever did this doesn't make sense. Like, why? So now I'm thinking we're going to leave this wide open. I may be going back to Ikea. I mean, I'm never mad about going back to Ikea, but so we're gonna have to pivot a little bit. Like, this is not what I planned, and I'm not happy about that, but we can make it work. I think the small one can still go here, and then we can do another big Billy bookcase here. I need to measure it. Off to Ikea. We gotta start taking stuff off the shelves, right? This smells so good. Again, the Pristine Aroma. The English Country Inn is my favorite. And I think there's one more. Oh, this smells clean. Like, if you want a clean aroma in your house, this is it. Like, I use it in our bedroom. And like, I just have like the little diffuser sticks, and I just turn it over and you get the fragrance all over again. It's like one of those fragrances that stop you in your tracks. Now we got a blank slate. Look at that. Looks so much bigger when it's empty. Oh, really? Yeah, what are you saying? With everything cleared out, we can get started painting. I used the color Whipped Cream by Bear and then eggshell finish. And yes, I got paint on the light, but don't worry, it was able to scrape off. You'll see that on the end. Alright, so now the first coat is on. I'm gonna work on the edges, so that way by the time I put my second coat on, I think we should be good. Alright, second coat took about 15 minutes. Next up, I'm gonna trim again, and then we're done with the white. And then we get to do my polka dots. Alright, so the white is done. And I think I'm gonna give it like an hour so that it can fully dry. Okay, so while we're waiting for paint to dry, I am going to try to put it together, that Billy bookcase. Y'all, I tell you, this bookcase was so heavy to move, it wasn't even funny. I should have called my husband for it, but I made it work. Okay. Oh, that was harder than it looked. I'm just gonna take a break. And in true husband fashion, he walked in the room being all nosy, and I left it up to him. So he put that Billy bookcase together in about 10 minutes, and I was left to just go back up and paint. So yeah. Alright, so nobody's gonna see this area because we got two cabinets going right here. So let's use this middle portion right here as a chance to figure out how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna use my tiny little brush. The tiniest one I got. Let's see. Okay, here goes nothing. Here's what I'm wondering. My thoughts is, are the imperfections of the circle gonna bother me? I don't know. I don't know. I also saw somebody that did like the little, and it was super cute. So should I switch to that? I'm pretty sure I can drag this down and give it maybe bigger ones. Or should we just trust the process? I don't know. Wish I had a board. Something. This would be a lot to do, like. I kind of like those. So I think I like this better. So this is what we're doing.
think about doing something like that downstairs.
It's not too much.
Hey, it's custom.
Next up is moving all of the Billy bookcases into the utility room so that way we can start to organize and finish out this project. It's a small but sweet project, and I'm just so excited that it gets to be a little creative light in our home. So I wanted to find a really pretty picture to go in here to cover up that so you wouldn't have to see that. And I wanted to go with something different. So I found a picture on Etsy, and then I went to Walgreens. Literally, I got the picture from Etsy for like $2.99 or $3.99, something like that. And then it normally costs 25 bucks. To print it out this big. It was normally $25, but because it was Black Friday, I got a 40% off coupon. So I tell you, my picture should not make you so happy, but I just wanted like a small little pop of color when you open the door that's just unexpected. Yeah. And I really think this picture delivered. And let me just say, excuse my hair, if you want to see it, it's bad. I didn't realize, but it's a DIY project, so I can't take it back. So sorry. So this may be a better view. I'm not sure because you might have been all up my face just a second ago. But life is life today. As you can hear, the kids are still playing music. And so, yes, I'm going to make this pretty. And I'm going to show you the finished product of it being pretty. However, this is literally the only linen closet we have in this entire house. So this small, tiny little space that you see is going to be packed with stuff. Because I literally have, in the old house, we had a massive linen closet upstairs in the hallway. And then we had a small linen closet in our bedroom, bathroom. And so it all has to fit into this space. I have a little bit that I can put into like underneath the kids, like their vanity and then our vanity, but really not that much. Because especially for the kids' vanity, you know, you gotta make it so that it can't, what's the right word? Nothing gonna kill them. You know what I mean? Like nothing that's gonna harm the babies. So majority of the stuff that is like harmful is gonna go up top here. Because as you see, I got the cleaning products up here already. So cleaning products are already up here. And then I actually have medicines and that big one up top. But first we must clean. So I went to Home Goods and I got a bunch of baskets and bins so that way I can start to try to organize this closet. And I also got some new towels and washcloths. It's time. Okay, put these where they go. Look, in trying to make this bougie, I had to just go ahead and find something cute to try to set up. So as y'all all know, one of my favorite products is Gentara. I just had to set it up because I just thought it would be cute. And right now, I don't have a lot of things to put up here. So I set this up. By all means, if you would like to try it out for yourself, GentaraLLC.com. And you can use my code BougieFarmhouse for 10% off. And as always, I'll have this link below. So I got the set of sheet organizers from Amazon. I'll have it linked below. And so far, I really like its style. Like, I was surprised at how simple it was. It's simple yet functional, and I think it could be worth it. So as always, I'll have this linked in the description box below so that you can go ahead and take a look at it for yourself. So I was a little disappointed that it didn't quite fit inside of the bookcase, but I should have known. The bookcase is only about 11 inches wide, but I put it down low, and to me it seems to just fit just fine, especially for like the purposes that we have. So yes, I still like it, and I'm not returning it. In case you're wondering, I got these baskets from the Target dollar spot. So as you can see here, down bottom, the sheet organizers only stick out into the walkway just a touch, so it's really not that bad. Alright, so thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this little how I decorate my linen closet. As we all know, I'll just be honest with you, it's not going to stay this way. This is the only linen closet that I have, so it has to be very functional. So right now it's just how pretty it can be, and I'm happy about that. But once I hang up off of this, it's not going to be functional. Well, it's the real world, let's be honest. But so far, I'm just like so excited that it turned out and it came out well. And I'm excited to be able to put like a little artistic stamp on this small tiny room. If you like this video, there are plenty more DIYs to come here at my bougie farmhouse because we have so many rooms left to tackle. We're just getting started. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see when I pop up with my next DIY video. And I hope you'll join our family. Until next time, thanks for watching.